just want to show you how easy it was to kind of set up the council tax balance lookup, which Sarah showed. So you all have, if you're on a Continuum XFP release, you'll have all got the PayBridge software pre-installed as part of one of those releases. And within that PayBridge software, I can set up a council tax product. Here I've just kind of given it a name, a couple of metadata details. I can choose which payment provider the service uses. So I could have multiple service providers for different types of payments. On our particular demo system, we've only got the Jadu mock-up payment provider. The payment type is billed, so I kind of add balances to the system and use a reference number to look it up. So just kind of putting all that together, sort of setting that up. It takes about 5 minutes to configure a new service, and then once I've made that live, it's there to be used on the payment pages. The balances, I can either kind of ad hoc kind of import them on a regular basis, or I can set up a back office scheduled task to import them nightly. Kettering Council export from Capita Academy on a nightly basis and import in, so their records are up to date kind of within 24 hours. So in terms of setting up the form and adding payments and the CXM integration, it's designed to make it as simple as possible. Where Sarah first went to the form, the details were pre-filled. This is done using integrated components, which are available from Jadu. So we have a number of kind of pre-fill integrated components. So these relate to your account options. So if you've kind of got only like half a dozen of those ones, you can buy kind of the half a dozen ones. And it's a simple case of that I just choose them as a form component. If the user isn't signed in, they'll just get the appropriate components, so like a text field or what have you. In terms of setting this up, this particular form up for payments, I choose one of my created PayBridge services. I need to choose the Xform integrated option, and if I choose that, then it will appear in this list. This form is for a bulky items collection, so I've chosen that product. I map the amount which needs to be paid onto that particular route, and then I make the service live. And then in the background, when you complete the form, XFP will recognise that particular route needs some sort of payment, and will direct you off to the payment providers. CXM is slightly different because CXM's sort of SaaS service. I need an API key, which Jadu can provide you for your instance, and then I just map my form questions to a CXM case form field. Once I've done that and saved that, it's live, and then the case will be raised in CXM.